Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to reset or change your Yahoo password. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select your user icon in Yahoo Mail. You want to select account info. And then scroll down underneath where it says change password. And at this point, you can go ahead and just go ahead and create a new password in here. Has to meet certain security requirements. And then you would select continue. And then you just would proceed to confirm the password, and that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.